Mendagasi hinang yo sa briew teliki active cases baru ki total active cases sa state Meghalaya haduh menta kilong sanpho East Hills kilong arpo kendai nang taha Ribhoi district kilong Khatsan Southwest Garo Hills kilong 2 East Gentia Hills 1 West Garo Hills 3 so recovered till today is 43 recovered itu kibarang pak nagabanta ban test baru adu banta kibarang pak ban test kilong arpwe hajar raspa arpulai those we have already sent for testing till today is 21,823 number of person tested negative till today kilong arpwe hajar 414 kitu kiba ngidang bengyo negatif adu benda kilong arpwe hajar sospa khatsam nang tade kitu returnis tila de batai mendan kitu entrance kibawan apo sebar dong Meghalaya kilong arpo hajar sospa nyofo those returnees coming from outside Meghalaya till today they are 20,470 okay, before I'll come to the breakup, I'd like to update you about the total test done in Bsf Composite Hospital, Nongpang. The total test that's already done in the Bsf Composite Hospital, Nongpang is 865. Praspa Adripusan, 865. Positive cases only from Bsf Nongpang, there are 22. R4R 22
plus
one today
means 23
yeah then reported negative 563 and the result awaited for the Bsf Composite Hospital Nongpang 281 kini kidei ki Bangladesh test baru hapo ki Composite Hospital hapo Bsf Nongpang total ke bala dep test kelong praspa rebusan ki positive case are fulai ke report negative kelong sanspa R but ke report ke bangidang up ya ke result kelong haduh aspa prafuwe
ni Ngut bang yo uwei ni ori bhai pat Ngut kidei na po East Hills.
East Hills there from Bsf or
you have got the report is that one is from Bsf and the rest we are trying to find out where they are. Okay. Most of them are under quarantine in the various quarantine centers, so we are trying to find out from where exactly they have come from and where they